there, fruit fans! The juiciest.
And I'm the sweetest. Don't forget us. We're all here to party.
Yay! We're the fruit crew here to play. Let's dance and have some fun. Yeah! We're #1, dancing under the sun.
Nowadays, fruit videos are going extremely viral, and I'll show you some examples on the channel. Just take a look at this one. It has 30 million views on a fruit video. Similarly, this video has 275 million views. This one has 1.9 million views, and this is a fruit dancing video, as you can see. Apart from that, this one has 324 million views, also on a fruit video, and this one has 235 million views from a fruit video. These types of videos can go viral very quickly, so I'm going to show you how we can create videos exactly like these, or make some changes and add our own ideas so that we can grow our own channels, attract viewers, and really surprise them. We'll use a new website where we can use a reference video and create everything according to our own. Before starting the video, let me tell you about the website we are going to use. Pipet.ai. It has many powerful features, but today I'm going to show you something especially useful. With this tool, you can create AI videos according to your own ideas and requirements. You can even use an existing video as a reference and transform it into a completely new video based on your own style, concept, and creativity. You can create unique AI videos from any reference video, completely customized to your own ideas, style, and creativity. So guys, you can see how viral these videos are, with millions of views. So let's download any one of these videos. First, download and save the video. Once you have downloaded it, open the Pipit.ai website. I'll also provide the link. Then click on Reference. As soon as you click on Reference, you need to upload the video. I've already uploaded this video, and along with it, I'm also going to add a character image. Let me first show you how you can use your own image. I'll select this image, and in the prompt above, I'll write, "Remove the character and replace it with this one." You can write whatever you want according to your requirements. After that, click on the video. Go to Upload Reference, upload your reference video, add your own image, and then wait for a little while. The video generation will start. As you can see, it may take some time, but it doesn't take too long. It gives you a really good result, and it can create a video in almost the same style as the video you want to make. Just remember that whatever kind of prompt you provide, it will start creating the video according to that prompt. It will take a little time, but you won't have to wait too long, and your video will start generating. And now the video is ready, as you can see.
Wow,
Let me show you the result. You can see that everything has been completely changed.
Wow, look at that!
We actually found it, the legendary treasure.
We're the greatest treasure hunters ever.
If you want to check the first result, you can see that it has been changed as well, and now the second result has also been changed. So, according to your requirements, you can create clips of as many seconds as you want. You've already seen the first clip, and you've seen this one as well, so you can create your own videos in the same way. These are the two clips that I used as references. Now let me create another one. Go to Upload File, select the reference video, and this time I'm going to use this second video, the fruit dancing video. Let me play it first so you can see that this is a fruit dancing video, but it has a different character and different fruits. I want to change the fruits, so for the character and fruits, I'll simply write in the prompt that I want these 4 fruits changed and replaced with fruits like an apple, banana, or any others. Then I'll create it in a 9:16 format. Earlier, I created the video in 16:9, but this time I'm going to create it in the shorts format. I'll click on Generate, and as soon as I click it, the video generation will start. It will analyze video starts generating within a short time, and now it has been created in the 9:16 shorts format. Let me play the result for you. You can see that it has the voice and everything, including background music. But I want something a little different. Maybe I want the character to say something different, or I want some background music, so I'll simply recreate it with another prompt. You can create videos in both 16:9 and 9:16 formats, with the changes you want. After that, I'll click Generate again. As you can see, in a while the video will be ready, and as you can see, it has created the videos in both 16:9 and 9:16 formats. So, whatever prompt you provide, it will create the video according to your instructions. You can also create whatever kind of characters you want. Since I asked for a fruit dancing video, It created a fruit dancing video. Now I'm going to paste another prompt. I'll use these reference videos, but this time I want different fruits that are dancing and talking to each other. I'll tell it to create a fruit talking video. I'll copy the prompt, upload the reference video, and paste the prompt. The video will start generating, and it won't take too long. After a short while, the result will be ready. As you can see, all the fruits have been changed, and the talking video has been created. The fruit talking video is ready, and you can see
You know it, Pine. Let's show them how we move.
Yeah, but can you keep up with this?
Challenge accepted.
that all the fruits have been changed. So, in this way, you can create videos according to your own requirements. You've seen the first video and the second video, so you can create your videos exactly the way you want. You can make any changes you want, and whatever kind of fruit talking video you want, just provide the right prompt and it will create it for you. I hope you liked the video. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Next time, I'll bring another video for you, showing you how you can create even more things according to your own requirements. And if you want to purchase this effect package, you can buy it as well. The packages are very affordable and will be beneficial for you. Thank you for watching.